Apart from cooking with herbs and spices, you can also use them to make slimming teas. The slimming teas we buy from the stores are comprised of herbs and spices after all, and they can easily be found around us. This is going to be a slimming tea series, and I'll start off with Fennel. Over time, I'll bring you more slimming tea recipes that work. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, kindly hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Hello, my name is Remy and I share amazing recipes that are easy to follow here on this channel. Fennel tea particularly helps to improve digestion. It prevents the formation of gas, thereby removing bloating. It also helps to boost the immune system because of its antibacterial, antiseptic, and antifungal effects. Fennel aids in weight loss by promoting urination and eliminating water retention and bloating. It is also a metabolism booster and helps the body burn calories faster. Fennel regulates appetite, thereby preventing overeating. It detoxifies the body and boosts heart health. I can go on and on about the many benefits of Fennel, but I'll stop here so as not to make this video too lengthy. For this homemade slimming tea, I'll use 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. In case you're wondering where you can buy fennel seeds from, in Nigeria especially, you can get from the houses who sell zobo leaves, spices and herbs at the local market. They sell in bits for as low as 15 naira, and this is 15 naira worth. You can also get this in packs from some supermarkets around, but even if you want to buy more, because I know these guys, they sell to people who even resell, you can just tell them and they'll sell you even more quantities. I will be using about 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 2 fingers of crushed ginger. I used a wooden spatula to smash this a few times. About half a liter of water. The first thing I'll do is to use this paper towel to gently crush the fennel seeds, just to bruise the seeds and enhance the release of its nutrients. After crushing, this is what it looks like. I have transferred it to a bowl and I'll use as a teas. I will add all my ingredients in a teapot. I will boil this for only 1 minute, and as soon as it comes to a boil, I will turn off the heat. This is just to ensure that we do not render the nutrients in the fennel seeds useless by boiling for too long. Alternatively, you can pour some hot water over the fennel seeds and allow it to steep for about 20 to 30 minutes. You will know it's ready when the seeds become pale in color and they also increase in size. The water will turn to light green in color as well. This is ready and I have turned off the heat. I will help myself to a cup. I like to have this in the mornings as I prepare my children for school and get ready for the day. This tea can also be the last thing you take at night. Absolutely love the flavor of fennel. You can sweeten with some honey or just enjoy it as it is. Most of the time, I don't even add honey at all. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up Kindly leave a comment. I'd like to know if you'll be trying this. I have loads of amazing recipes like this coming your way, and if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you will not miss them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again with another fantastic recipe. Bye guys.